advocacy, a promise to bring to my mother who died because of tuberculosis, and to all the people suffering from this deadly disease, which claim 1.6 million of lives each year. My advocacy is about the awareness and fighting the stigma. I stand with health workers and professional youth to be united, to fight, to support, and educate all the people affected by tuberculosis. I stand here tonight, not just the echoes, but the voice of the many people, and not just a man, but also a man who are of a power and shape for many people. I truly believe that tuberculosis is preventable and curable. By working together, by uniting each other, we can easily address that tuberculosis. That is for you, Mama, and for all the people who are suffering this tuberculosis. Maayong gabi sa inyo mga tanan.